Let's explore using a smaller tool than the foam roller. We're going to use these massage therapy balls. They're very pliable. They're smaller than tennis balls. This particular brand is called Yoga Tune-Up, which I highly recommend. And you can get 2 balls that come separately, but you can put them in a little pouch, which really helps when you use it for certain areas of the body to keep them from rolling away. The techniques we can use with the massage therapy balls are similar to the foam roller, but it's more pinpointed to a specific area. An example would be to use this in the hamstrings, since the foam roller is difficult to get on the hamstrings when you are sitting because of flexibility issues for some people. You could even sit in a chair and use this. The first thing you would do is just put compression into the tune-up ball. So you're just putting the weight of your leg into the ball. That compression can last a couple of minutes, letting that deep pressure sink into the hamstring, into the fascia, and releasing any tension around it. Secondly, you could use it to strip the muscle. Stripping the muscle is just going the length of the muscle up and down, creating again that release, the length of the muscle. The ball's going more in depth. It's certainly getting a little deeper than the roller, which has a broader surface. You could also do the cross fiber massage more easily with the ball, just going across the lines of the muscle belly, and that will help release tension as well. And then to pin and stretch for the hamstrings, you would have to just bend and straighten the leg. This one's a little bit more difficult to isolate, pin and stretch in. Flex and extend the leg against the surface. So pin and stretch would be anytime you're holding the tune-up ball in a certain area and then moving that body part in and out, usually contracting and relaxing that muscle.